morning, everybody, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. So, I tested the onion hair mask on my hair for 3 days. Now, you guys asked me to do this video, so here I am. I did the video. Well, I actually filmed the intro to this video before, but I lost the clip, so here I am filming the intro again. But of course, this is being filmed after I've already filmed the entire challenge because I lost the previous clip. Anyways, in this video, I am going to be applying onion juice on my hair for 3 days to see what the benefits are and how it changes my hair. Is the internet telling the truth? Because onion juice on your hair is known to stop hair fall, condition dry scalp, supports the natural hair color, controls dandruff, strengthens the hair root resulting in less hair fall, thickens the hair and reduces breakage and split ends. So many benefits, and watch the video to find out if it's true or not. And plus, seasonal changes are going on, so you already know what that means. Hair, skin, body, everything is going to be acting up. So keep watching to find out if onion on my hair actually helped me or not. Because I've seen so many videos on YouTube, Pinterest, and TikToks claiming that the onion hair mask helps and was a life changer. So I want to see if it changes my life or not. And I'm doing this video so that if it works, it could change your life too. And that's exactly what I want for my girls. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And yeah, let's get into the video. So when I said that I applied onion juice on my hair, I did it on alternative days because I didn't want to wash my hair every single day continuously because that is not good for my hair. So I did it every other day, not 3 days continuously. So first I'm going to be starting off by showing you guys how I made the onion hair mask. So let's go. You could start off by chopping 2 medium-sized red onions because it has more juice and it's better than the other types of onions. Then rinse off the chopped onions thoroughly to remove any bacteria or dirt. Then I place them inside a blender and add in some water and just start blending it, and that's about it. Alright, so it is day 1. Can you tell I'm terrified? Because onions. I'm terrified of onions. And now they're gonna be near my hair. I'm doing it for you guys. So anyways, I'm just combing out my hair first. I'm also terrified because I have no idea what it's gonna feel like, what it's gonna smell like, how it's gonna be, because I've heard so many things about onion on your hair. I've seen people say that the smell is terrifying and it smells so bad to the point that you can't go out. So I'm not sure if that is entirely true or not, and that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna put it to the test and see if it actually smells bad, does it feel weird, and bad things, good things about onions. We already know onions make us cry, but you know what, boys make us cry more. Stay single and use onions. If you really want to cry, just use onions. At least onions actually benefit you. Boys don't. I'm so scared it's gonna go in my eye and I'm gonna start crying. But okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this for about 30 to 40 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off, and I will update you guys tomorrow about how my hair feels, how it smells, and etc. Okay, so it is the next day, and as you can see, this is my hair. Number 1, is the bad smell still there? No. Well, the key tip is you need to wash your hair thoroughly. I washed my hair so good just to make sure I get rid of the smell, shampooed and conditioned my hair so well than how I usually do. So no, my hair does not smell, but my hair is rough. As you can see, like the ends don't look that good in my opinion. So I haven't combed it yet, so let's comb and check it out. Okay, so I just combed my hair. So after combing my hair feels a little softer, and this is how my hair looks right now. So yeah, that's it for day 1. No changes at all except the fact that my hair is a little drier than usual, but there are no tangles. But sometimes after a shower, I usually have like tangles, especially around this area, but today when I woke up, I did not have any tangles. Okay, so a few days later, today is the second day that I'm going to be using onion on my hair. I actually wanted to see how long it's gonna take for my hair to get greasy, and it's been like 5 days, so my hair is still not that greasy, but it's sort of okay. Honestly, my hair looks so freaking soft, and it is actually really soft, but my hair is naturally soft anyways, so. But I just feel like it's a little softer than usual. Anyways, I'm gonna get started with day 2. I should probably do this in the toilet because it's gonna start smelling like onions in here. Also, I am wearing the same t-shirt because I don't wanna stain my other t-shirts. Okay, so I am done with that. I'm just gonna tie my hair for a little while and then I'm gonna take a shower. Hello you guys, so it is day 3. I feel like my hair fall has decreased a lot. Like usually during my shower, I lose a lot of hair, but ever since I started this whole onion hair challenge, it has significantly reduced. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm gonna have to throw my biotin pills. Now, if you don't know what biotin pills are, biotin basically helps with hair loss and strengthens your hair follicles so that your hair doesn't fall off basically. So yeah, it's pretty good for your hair, but sometimes you could be biotin intolerant, so you're gonna have to be really careful with that. You might break out or whatever. Last time I put this on my hair, I smelled like a whole onion. It was almost as if I was an onion. Like literally, the smell is so freaking bad. I don't know how I didn't notice the first day. Maybe because I didn't apply as much as I did the second time. But today's the third time. I don't know why I'm doing this here. As if I didn't already learn my lesson. Because last time, my whole house smelled like a whole onion. But here I am, doing it again. Okay, so update, final results. Okay, let's check the results. So as you guys saw, my hair fall did reduce crazily, and honestly, before even doing it, my hair fall was a little more than that. But after using the onion hair mask, my hair fall reduced so much. I don't even have hair fall anymore. But I feel like once I stop using it, it's gonna come back again. So I'll probably keep using it, but the only bad thing is how bad it freaking smells. I already showered twice after the last time I used the onion hair mask, and my hair still smells like onions. So the only bad thing about the onion hair mask is that it smells really bad. It makes everything around you smell bad, and the smell just does not go from your hair easily, which totally sucks because it's such a great hair mask, but the smell just kills it all. But my hair did not grow at all. No major changes. Now I've seen a lot of other people's hair grow faster in just a few days by using the onion hair mask, but unfortunately for me, it did not happen. It did not work. So that's sad. But it's okay because I'm gonna cut it anyways. No matter how long my hair grows, I'm gonna keep cutting it short. So might as well just save my money and stay the same length. But yeah, I only did it for 3 days, so I did not expect major changes. And definitely not for my hair to grow so fast. Like when I used the rice water, yeah, my hair did grow really fast. But with the onion, the same thing did not happen. So it's okay. Also, the rice water did not have a bad smell, but the onion hair mask does have really bad smell, and I just cannot deal with it. So I'll probably do it during the weekend so I could wash it like thrice before I actually go back to uni, because I don't want to smell like an onion. Like my hair smells so freaking bad, especially after using it like 3 times already. And other things that I've noticed is that my hair got shinier and softer. I would definitely give onion hair mask a 9 out of 10. It is worth it. If not for the smell, it's definitely a very good hair mask. And also, this is something I observed the very last day, is that my dandruff is gone. Sometimes I get dandruff like time to time, and it actually helped my dandruff go away. So that's a good thing. So if you have dandruff, use onion hair mask. So that's about it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. So if you guys have any other video recommendations similar to this one, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to do it. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment this emoji if you're still watching. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.